Demystifying invisible grill durability and lifespan. Part 1. Want the beauty of natural light and the security of bars without the clutter? Invisible grill is the perfect solution. But how long will it last? The lifespan of invisible grill cable depends on the material, coating, environment, and maintenance. Material: stainless steel 316 grade. This is the most common material for invisible grill cable and offers the best lifespan. With proper maintenance, it can last for 15 to 20 years or even longer. Other materials: some invisible grill systems might use other materials like galvanized steel or coated aluminum. These can have a shorter lifespan, typically ranging from 5 to 10 years. Coated cables. Many invisible grill cables are coated with a protective layer, often nylon or nano-ceramic. This coating helps to resist corrosion, UV degradation, and abrasion, extending the cable's lifespan. Uncoated cables. Uncoated cables are more susceptible to rust and other damage, resulting in a shorter lifespan.